Hello everyone, and welcome to another unboxing. Today we will be unboxing some electric toothbrushes by Philips, the Sonicare Diamond Clean series. My dentist recently recommended that I get an electric toothbrush, so I picked up a pair at Costco. These will run you, and these were on sale, mind you. These were about $199.99. There is Bluetooth compatibility for both Android operating system as well as the Mac iOS operating system. Now let's open this up and see what is inside. Here we have the charging portal, and this is where the glass cups will be placed. And here is a look at the glass cup. Very nice quality, and this has a little weight to it. And here is the carrying case for the brushes and toothbrush stem. It has a USB charging cable at the bottom to charge the brush when you're not at home. Now let's look at the actual devices. First, the white brush, and then second, the pink brush. Four brush heads are included in the package, with each brush head lasting about 180 brushes. So there you have it. The rest of the package is a repeat of what we already unboxed. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. I will do a review video of these in the future. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.